What happens if my car is totaled after a crash caused by another driver? If the other driver caused the crash and your car is a total loss, the vehicle claim usually focuses on what your car was worth right before the collision, not what it would cost to buy a newer replacement. That property damage claim is usually separate from your injury claim, so settling the car damage does not automatically settle your medical or lost wage issues. You should gather photos, the title, registration, loan payoff information, repair estimates, the valuation report, and any towing, storage, or rental receipts. If the value offer seems too low, records showing the car's condition, features, mileage, and comparable local prices may help challenge it. You may also need to decide whether to keep the vehicle or transfer it, and a total loss can trigger title and salvage paperwork with short deadlines. So the key steps are to document everything, review the valuation carefully, and keep your injury records separate from the car claim.